Welcome to Chapter 2, CSS Inline Styling. Chapter 2, Essential Outcomes. Students communicate, collaborate, create, and apply critical thinking skills through project-based learning by A. Constructing, computing, and designing basic web pages. B. Empowering and challenging each other to create unique designs. C. Demonstrating knowledgeable web page structure. D. Being responsible web designers and digital citizens. E. Sharing the innovative designs via global networking. F. Linking keywords to project application. Metadata tags. What are they? These tags are extremely important in finding a web page in a web search. They talk especially to the search engine. Please stop the video, go to Google Classroom, and open up the number 5 assignment. Directions are given on Google Drive. When you have finished, return back to this PowerPoint. Please go to Google Classroom and watch the video on what is metadata tags on Edpuzzle. Make sure you watch the entire video and answer all the questions. Then return back to this PowerPoint when you have finished. The metadata tags. These tags talk directly to the search engine. There are 3 tags that we will be using in this class and that you need to know. These 3 tags follow the title tag between the opening and closing head tag. Each tag has 2 attributes, the name attribute and the content attribute. Looking closely at the title metadata tag, the title tag provides the search engine with the name of the web page. You will have the content attribute and the name attribute. So when we write this out, we will use the metadata tag, which is a single tag. You will use the name equals title and the content equals, and we'll put in meta tags, and then we'll put in the name of the website. The description metadata tag describes your website. So if you look at the bottom, you're going to see the meta name equals description. Notice that the meta description tag uses the name attribute as well as the content. And notice the content describes the website. This content could possibly show up in the actual engine search where they give you a short description of that particular website. The meta robot metadata tag identifies how a page should be indexed and searched by a search engine. You have the name attribute and you have the content attribute. After the content, you will type in index follow. Usually the index and the follow is a normal crawl through the website. For more information on options for your content, you can go to this website. The browser tab shortcut icon. The shortcut icon appears on most web pages. If you look at the example at the top, you're going to see that there's a little icon to the left of the actual title. It appears on most browsers, and it usually is the website logo. You do not need to include the width and height, but you must save the image to your image folder in order for you to make the connection. You will use the link tab or link tag followed by the REL, which is a relationship to the short icon, and then you'll use the href hyperreference to link to the actual image. Welcome back to Metadata Research. Go to your Google website portfolio and create a subpage under Web Design called Chapter 2. Then create a subpage under Chapter 2 called Metadata Video. In the first text box, what are some positive reasons why the collection of metadata is important? Provide at least 2 examples. 2. In the second text box, answer the question, what are some reasons why the collection of metadata could be harmful? Provide at least 2 examples. Remember to type in the question before you answer the question. Please return to this PowerPoint when you have finished your portfolio questions. Chapter 2, Part 1 Quiz. It's now time to take your quiz over Part 1 of your keywords learned in this chapter. Make sure you review the keywords in this PowerPoint and in the videos and in the handout that you watched before you take the quiz. The quiz will be found on Google Classroom using Google Forms. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for participating. Please return back to the class website for further directions.